Alright guys, we're getting ready to climb in and move the sherp this morning. Come along for a ride. Putting a boat in the showroom. So we gotta move some stuff out of the way. Let's hope the battery is not dead. I'll show you guys how good this thing operates. Alright, fired right up. That's pretty good. Been sitting for a while for sure. Try not to run over anything. Crazy how good these things maneuver. I'm ready to show you guys. We're in the tight showroom area right here. I'm not even hitting the gas. Literally just idling, letting my foot off the clutch. That's where these things really perform the best, is in tight quarters. And of course it'll do the same thing if you're just running around the water. Still just idling with no foot. And of course you hit the gas, it'll speed on down like it's supposed to, but really nice controls. These things operate great. Sherp. And this one is for sale. If you got any interested trades, throw them out.